These tractors have been cared for over many decades, and today we're going to give you your first look at the full collection. Some of the tractors in this collection are over 100 years old, and I refer to the 1918 Case tractor. Many of these tractors have original parts, some have rebuilt engines, but all have been kept to a very high standard. One of the standout models in the collection is the 1949 Hanomag R45 tractor, which has attracted a great deal of interest already. This tractor uniquely has a pitch pine cab and a spring-loaded front axle. Another highlight in this very unique collection is the John Deere Lands DT6516, also a very sought-after collectible tractor. And for collectors of early machinery, this 1938 Case REX Petrol TVO tractor is a prime example of pre-war engineering. This auction will take the format of a timed online auction, commencing on Wednesday the 28th of January at 2 p.m. and ending 48 hours later, Friday the 30th of January at 2 p.m. For those interested in viewing this fantastic collection, the viewing will take place on Monday the 26th of January from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. For more information on this unique collection and the auction, visit www.wilsonsauctions.com or contact our office 02890 342626.